In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Asana into Slack 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll be able to turn Slack messages into Asana tasks and get the right project updates delivered directly to your channels, so your team can act faster without switching tabs. First, we're going to install the Asana app in Slack. In your Slack workspace, open the app section in the sidebar and use the search bar to find Asana. Click Add to Slack or Install. If your workspace requires admin approval for apps, you may see a prompt to request access. That's normal. Once it's approved, you'll see Asana appear in your apps list, which means you're ready to connect it. Next, connect your accounts. Slack will guide you through authorization. A browser window may open asking you to sign in to Asana and confirm the Slack Asana connection. Pick the correct Asana workspace if you're part of multiple ones, then approve the requested permissions. This simply allows Slack to create tasks on your behalf and deliver notifications from Asana to Slack. Make sure you're using the same work email in both tools to avoid linking the wrong account. Now configure notifications and settings so you only see what matters. You can choose which types of alerts you want, like when you're assigned a task, when due dates change, or when someone comments on a task you follow. It's a good idea to start with task assignments and mentions, then add more if you need them. You can also connect specific Asana projects to specific Slack channels to keep updates organized. For example, send only high-priority project updates to your team's planning channel. If the channel gets noisy, you can adjust the notification types later. Finally, start using the integration in your daily workflow. In any channel or direct message, type Asana to see the available commands. From there, you can create a new task, assign it to a teammate, add a due date, and include a description without leaving Slack. One of the most useful features is converting a Slack message into a task. Hover over the message, open the More Actions menu, and choose Create a Task. A small window will let you add details and select the Asana project, so nothing gets lost in a long thread. That's it. With the native Asana app in Slack, you've set up simple, reliable automation that keeps your work visible and actionable. If something doesn't connect right away, double check you're in the correct Slack and Asana workspaces and that the app has been approved in Slack. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more streamlined workflow.